Good morning, children. This is Ramni teacher. Hope you all are staying at home in this lockdown. Today I am going to start my subject Social Studies Part 1, India Relief and Rainfall. India Relief and Rainfall. Indian Geography. Let us start with what is the type of a climate that India enjoys. India enjoys monsoon type of a climate, and it is affected by the seasonal monsoon winds. Some parts of the India receives first showers in the first week of the June. So let us speak about what is a climate. What is a climate, children? What is the difference between the climate and the weather? Climate is some of the weather conditions and variations of over large areas and for a longer period. This is called as a climate. Example, in the hilly areas, these areas are very cooler. And what is weather? It is a state of atmosphere over an area for a short period of time. This is called as an weather. Every day we are going to watch weather reports. It will be changing from hour to hour and sometimes in minutes also. This is called as an weather. And what is precipitation? Droplets of water falling on the troposphere layer. It may be either in the form of the hail, fog, snow, or big droplets. It is called as an rain. And now we are going to see about the regional variations in precipitation. Look at the India map, and where you find on the west, Jaisalmer is a place where it receives only the very less rainfall, 9 centimeters of the rainfall. And in the northeast you find Mausinaram and Cherrapunji receives 1100 centimeters of the rainfall. West Bengal in the west, it is totally a flooded area. Coromandel coast remains dry. Most parts of the India receives rain only in the months of the June, July and the September. Formation of the soils. Basically, this formation of the soils depends upon the original rocks called as parent rocks. Different types of soils are formed like laterite soil, clayey soil, red soil, alluvial soil, mountainous soil, saline alkaline soils and peat soils. Peat soil is the new word for you all. These soils are available where there is lack of rainfall, and the humidity will be very high in these soils, but it is rich in humus, iron, organic matter, alkaline and acidic. Indian seasons are divided into 4: hot and dry, rainy, seasons of retreating monsoons, cool and dry winter. Now look at the following days and how changes takes place. On 21st March, vertical rays fall on the Tropic of Cancer and days and nights are equal. This is called equinoxes, where days and nights are equal, 12 hours day and 12 hours night. 21st June, vertical rays fall on the Tropic of Cancer and the days are longest. This is the summer. And 23rd September, vertical rays falls on the Tropic of Cancer and days are shorter, nights are longer. This is a rainy. On 22nd December, vertical rays fall on the Tropic of Capricorn and nights are the longest. This is a winter. I conclude the class. Now look at the following maps: India rainfall and India's climate, and look at all the places where the rainfall is less and where the rainfall is heavy and dry places. Thank you, children.